Hey guys, you are watching Mansi and I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm here to share my transformation journey over the past 1 year since I have turned 26 last week. It is crazy how time is flying because it feels like yesterday when I graduated from my college and I was feeling like a kid. Feels like abhi to bahut time, abhi to bahut time hai. But now I am on the other side of the 25. So it is kind of overwhelming for me. Sometimes I feel like I have grown so much as a person, and on the other day, it feels like I have to do so much in life and I'm lagging behind. So I'm getting this mixed kind of feeling right now. But I'm excited to share my learnings of my past years. So let's get started. So 1 year ago, I was in a completely different place. I was struggling with self doubt and was feeling stuck in life. You know, a phase comes in life when you feel stuck and it feels like life is not moving and you feel some kind of emptiness inside you. So I was feeling like that. But as I reflect on my past year, I have made significant changes, which I am about to share now. So, number one is that I love traveling, and I have traveled to 8 different cities in the last 1 year. And traveling actually gives me some kind of inner peace and rejuvenate my inner self. I mean, the views, the food, the history, the wind of different places, and the people. Everything is so unique and worth experiencing. I have a huge bucket list which I have to tick off in the coming year. So let's see how it goes, and I will share my experience with you all definitely. In fact, I was so inspired by my travel that I have created 10 episode travel series on my YouTube channel where I have shared my experiences, the food, and the itinerary of that particular place. So if you haven't checked it out, then please do. Number two is I have learned to read more and now I write also. I write my own videos and it's like writing my own life story. And I have read 7 books in this year, which is another milestone for me. So reading was not my hobby, but इसको मैंने hobby बनाया है because it is the best way to experience different lives, to learn about different perspectives, and to feel different emotions via different stories. तो अभी क्या होता है ना कि इफ आई एम फेसिंग सम इश्यूज और प्रॉब्लम इन माय लाइफ देन माय बुक एक्चुअली कॉल्स मी एंड से हे ब्रो चिल enjoy this moment for a few hours and then deal with the other problems. So I was like, okay, fair enough. One more benefit of reading is that it will keep you busy and negative thoughts won't get any space in your mind. So it is kind of a win-win situation. So reading, I will definitely recommend to everyone. Number three is that I have become more let it go person because I have learned to release the things that actually don't serve me or make me happy, whether it's toxic relation, a bad habit, or a negative thought pattern. So after making all the possible efforts, if that particular thing is actually not fixed, मैं हो जाती हूँ फिर उस वाले mood में like आग लगे बस्ती में अपन तो अपनी मस्ती में. So I actually try to spend more time with myself because the more you know about yourself, you know how to find the ways to make yourself happy. Number four is I have realized that trying new things gives me joy. I like to have different kind of hobbies and I try to push my limits to try more things so that I know about my strengths and my weaknesses. For example, recently I actually started eating alone in a restaurant or a cafe. पहले मैं अकेले नहीं जा पाती थी. आई फेल्ट लाइक कि मैं बोर हो जाऊंगी और अकेले कैसे खाना खाएंगे. घर पे एक्चुअली मैं अकेले ही खाना खाती थी बिकॉज आई लिव अलोन. But you know, in a restaurant, I never felt very comfortable eating alone. But recently, I actually took myself out. I went on a solo date. I went to the cafe. Then I had lunch alone. So it is kind of a very different feeling, but I really enjoyed it. Number five is I have learned to prioritize my mental health and setting boundaries with the people who actually impose the negativity on me. सबसे अच्छा काम जो मैंने किया है लास्ट ईयर इज दैट एक महीना बैठ के आई हैव फिनिश्ड महाभारत. मैंने महाभारत पूरी देखी है. इफ यू वांट टू इम्प्रूव योर मेंटल हेल्थ देन महाभारत देख डालो बिकॉज इट विल आंसर मोस्ट ऑफ योर क्वेश्चंस एंड इट इज रियली important to know all those things because from the time you woke up to the time you sleep you stay here. So it is really important to keep this healthy. Number six is the area where I have seen transformation is my physical health. I have started including exercise and yoga in my daily routine and it really helps. पहले तो मैं एक्चुअली बिल्कुल भी फिजिकल एक्टिविटी नहीं करती थी. ऑफिस जाती थी, ऑफिस से घर, घर से ऑफिस, बस इतना ही हो पाता था. बट नाउ आई हैव इंक्लूडेड योगा एंड एक्सरसाइज इन माय रूटीन. सो इसके दो फायदे हैं. नंबर वन इज यू विल लुक गुड, योर बॉडी विल बी इन अ गुड शेप, सो आई एम ट्राइंग टू रीच दैट स्टेट. And number two is you will feel good. So after physical exercise you will definitely feel good. So I have reached that state. Yeah, so first I'm working on, second I have accomplished. Physical movement will also improve your mental health, so it is really important that if you are not doing anything, then actually go for a 30-minute walk. It will actually uplift your mood definitely. Number seven is that I have become better at time management. I've started documenting my life experiences, my travel vlogs, storytelling, and some lifestyle videos on my channel. And I'm excited to see where this channel actually takes me in the future. Yeah, so that is it for this video. I'm very grateful for my journey. If you're watching this video and feeling uncertain or stuck in the life, I want you to know that you have the power to make the change and create the life you want. So don't be afraid to take risk and try new things. So if you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share. Bye bye.